Good morning guys, it's another day here in Bali and we are ready to check out na from our hotel here sa Seminyak and lilipat na tayo sa Canggu area. I will show you later. Maganda yung hotel namin doon. So, let's see. Papakita ko sa inyo. I'm so excited to be back there kasi nakapag-stay na kami doon previously and na-enjoy naman namin siya. Okay, one last look at the room guys. Ito siya. Sorry, gulo-gulo na. Pero ayun, we had an overall good stay naman dito. And yung bathroom, ayan, okay din siya. Medyo matagal lang uminit yung shower minsan. Pero yung water pressure, ayun, perfect. So guys, we made it here in Canggu and we are staying here at Aston Hotel and 2 p.m. pa yung check-in. So ayun, mag-quick lunch lang kami and then babalik kami. Sana ready na yung room when we return. And ayun, I will see you later and update ko kayo kung ano yung mga ganap dito sa hotel na to. So there guys, ang sarap ng lunch natin dun sa Warung. Ang sarap talaga ng local food. And ayun, medyo pricey lang siya for a Warung level. Parang double the price compared sa takeaway ko from Seminyak. So ayun. And yung ribs, hindi siya super pakak. Medyo mabuto and less lang yung meat. So yun lang naman. And ready na yung room natin. So I will show you the room here at Aston Canggu in a short while. So, ayan guys, one king bed and then ito, may TV, may small desk, pwede siyang workstation, may saksakan, and ayan. Nagulat ako na upgrade kami. May beach view tayo guys. Wait lang, paano ba to? It's the view from our room. I love it. And ito yung bathroom guys. Ayan. Medyo spacious naman. May towels and then may basic toiletries. Ayan. And meron tayong hair dryer and bidet na super mahalaga sa buhay. Charot! And merong coffee and tea amenities. May water kettle. May small fridge. And then may closet space. Ayan. Ayan, may safety deposit box. May hangers for clothes. And that's it for our very quick room tour. This is my second time here in Aston Canggu and as usual, mataas talaga expectations ko rito kasi maganda yung previous experience namin. Pero na-exceed pa siya dahil binigyan kami ng better room with better view. So, ayun. And then, meron silang pa-sleepers, guys. Kaso parang sobrang lightweight niya lang na medyo flimsy lang yung material na ginamit. So guys, we are here at Cafe Kitsune and super aesthetic na tong place na to. Grabe, I highly recommend na i-try nyo dito if ever nandito kayo sa Canggu area in Bali. So guys, ayun, sobrang bongga nung sunset kanina sa poolside. Super na-enjoy namin yung lounge time namin doon and yung welcome drink namin. Super sulit and free lang yun. So ayun, and nag-dinner na kami here sa Milk and Madu, and I will update you guys later kung okay yung food here. Pero so far, the ambience was so great.